Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 20E. In this video I'll show you how to send messages via Google Assistant. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, Assistant and select Phone. Make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply say, "Hey Google, send message to Lily."
Okay, what's the message?
Hello, how are you?
Sending your message saying hello, how are you?
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.